Are you tired of dry skin and frizzy hair that just won't cooperate? Here are the 5 best coconut oil options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil. First up is the Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil, priced at $9.99. What really caught my attention is that it's a 100% pure and natural carrier oil, and it's great for both skin and hair. If you want a moisturizing solution that works for all hair types and won't clog your pores, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This coconut oil is lightweight and absorbs quickly, which means it can deliver moisture without leaving that greasy residue that many oils do. It boasts hair benefits like promoting growth, adding volume, and improving scalp health, which is fantastic if you're struggling with dry or thinning hair. Plus, with over 20,000 sales in just the past month, it's clear that many people find it effective. Now, some people complained about the packaging being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it with care, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. The quality of the oil itself is what truly matters, and this one shines. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile oil for both hair and skin without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're after a stronger scent or more potent oil, because this one is fragrance-free. For the price, you're getting a solid product that performs well. Now, if the Handcraft Blends oil's lack of fragrance bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Majestic Pure Fractionated Coconut Oil. Next up is the Majestic Pure Fractionated Coconut Oil, available for just $8.49. This caught my eye because it's a premium quality oil that retains all the benefits of coconut oil without the greasy feel. If you're looking for a moisturizing oil that won't stain your clothes, this one definitely deserves your attention. Here's why this matters. This oil is made from the medium-chain triglycerides of coconut oil, which means it has a long shelf life and won't solidify like regular coconut oil. This makes it a go-to for many uses, whether that's a DIY hair mask or a simple moisturizer. Plus, it has a strong following with over 10,000 units sold recently, indicating many satisfied customers. Now, some reviews mention that it feels a bit too light for heavy-duty moisturizing needs. But I'll be real with you, that lightness is actually a plus for daily use. It absorbs quickly, making it perfect for a quick hydration boost without the greasy aftermath. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight oil for daily use or essential oil blending. Skip it if you're looking for something with a rich texture or deep moisture because it's very light. For the price, it's a great option that fits many needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your everyday rituals. Product number 3, PURAR Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. Third on the list is the PURAR Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil, priced at a reasonable rate. Though specific pricing isn't listed, it's known for being affordable. This USDA-certified oil caught my attention because it's not just coconut oil, it's also a hydrating powerhouse. If you're after an organic option that's safe for sensitive skin, this one is worth considering. The key feature here is that it's ultra-pure and hexane-free, making it ideal for those who are cautious about what they put on their skin. It hydrates, nourishes, and even helps with scalp health, which is crucial if you're dealing with dry or damaged hair. Its fast-absorbing nature means you can apply it without worrying about that sticky film, making it suitable for daily use. With over 9,000 units sold recently, it's clear that users appreciate its gentle yet effective touch. However, some users noted that it's not as effective for deeper hair conditioning. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily as a moisturizer or for lighter hydration, it performs wonderfully. It's still a fantastic multi-purpose oil. This is perfect for you if you prioritize organic ingredients and want something gentle on your skin. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty conditioner, as it's more about light hydration. You get a lot of value, especially if you prefer natural products. Now, if PURA Dorlighter formula wasn't what you were after, the next one might have just what you need. Product number 4, Viva Naturals Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. Coming in at number 4, we have the Viva Naturals Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil, which retails for about $14.44. What really stood out is that it's 100% pure and organic, making it a great choice if you're looking for a high-quality product. If you're after a moisturizing oil that also supports your DIY beauty projects, this one is definitely worth checking out. It's designed to leave your skin feeling silky smooth without any greasy residue, which is a big win if you want to use it after a shower. Plus, it works wonders for adding moisture to dry hair when mixed with your shampoo or used as a leave-in conditioner. With 5,000 sales in a month, it's clear that people are loving the results. Some users mentioned that they found it a bit pricier compared to others. But here's the thing, the quality of organic ingredients often justifies the cost, especially if you're committed to skincare and health. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile organic option that you can use for both skin and hair. Skip it if you're looking for something super budget-friendly. You're investing in quality here and it shows. Now, if you need a coconut oil that's a bit more focused on multi-benefits, the last product on my list might just be the top contender. Product number 5, She Moisture 100% Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. Finally, we have the She Moisture 100% Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, priced at $13.44. This one caught my eye because it emphasizes nourishing hydration for both skin and hair. If you're someone who needs a product that works across the board, this is definitely worth a look. What makes this oil stand out is that it's fast absorbing and leaves no greasy residue behind. This is essential for anyone with dry skin or hair, as it can help with moisture retention and overall smoothness. It's suitable for multiple uses, from a daily moisturizer to a makeup remover. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many are finding it effective. Now, some users reported that they didn't like the scent as much as they hoped. But honestly, for a product that delivers so well across different areas of skincare, I think it's a minor issue. The benefits far outweigh the scent for most people. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one coconut oil solution. Skip this one if you're extremely sensitive to scents because it may not be for you. For the price, it offers excellent value given the quality and versatility. So there you have it. We covered 5 fantastic coconut oils that cater to a variety of needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Handcraft Blend's fractionated coconut oil because it balances quality and price perfectly for everyday moisturizing. As for which one to avoid, I'd say steer clear of anything that doesn't suit your scent preferences, like the She Moisture, if you're sensitive to fragrance. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.